Hey you all, I'm Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. We're kind of at a milestone here with the channel. I've reached 348 subscribers. Probably be a few more when this video comes out, and I'm very excited about that. So anyway, we have some more pens to turn. Probably about 30 pens left, or 30 blanks left in my box. And more or less, this has been a learning experience. I've come out with some pretty nice pens. I've also had a few that will be good for us to use around, but they won't make it to my market table because they've got one defect or another. So that's fine, it's part of the process. So I'm going to turn the camera down here to the lathe and we'll go ahead and get started. So
Ooh, raise your cups, you rogues and knaves, for a tale from all from wind-torn graves. Young Angus MacLean with his bonnet low, sent off to wed where the black flags blow. Hey! Campbell gold on the chieftain's hand, take my only girl, bind the clans by a band. But when she turned by the smoky hearth, Angus spat and swore at the bitter sight on earth. Hey! Hey ho for the Isle of Mull, salt in the wound and blood in the skull. Angus MacLean and his dark hard kin set a feud on fire that never burned thin. Hey! Teeth like stones from a cattle field, voice like crows on a wagon wheel. He hissed to his brother in the peat dark rain, better drown this bargain than bear that name. Hey! They dragged her out where the black lock yawns, past the reeds that cut, past the croaking spawn. Iron on her wrists, iron on her feet, chained to the rock where the deep drums beat. Hey! Hey ho for the Isle of Mull, salt in the wound and blood in the skull. Angus MacLean and his dark hard kin set a feud on fire that never burned thin. Hey ho, hey ho, and ho. Found Mary sank, cold on her tongue, cold in her shank. Campbell's wailed on the rocky shore. MacLean, you'll pay in gore. Hey! Boats were burned and cattle bled, oats were carved where the heather spread. 7 long centuries storm and stain, Campbell and MacLean still curse that name. Hey ho for the Isle of Mull, salt in the wound and blood in the skull. Angus MacLean and his dark hard kin set a feud on fire that never burned thin. She came down the dark and bloody river, smoke on the bend, ash in her hair, leather boots split on the stone, sharp shallows, gun in her lap, saying half a prayer. They staked out a shack by the broad Ohio, log by log through the red clay rain. Wild mint grew where the old fire smoldered. She laughed through the hunger, through the ache and strain. Oh, river bones of Kentucky, He rode with the man when the word came whispering, Shawnee's shadows in the beech and pine. She loaded his shot in the lantern's flicker, marked every round with a crooked sign. Smoke at dawn from the high ridge timber, echo of war in a crow's thin cry. They brought him home on a door for a cradle, mud on his coat and his open eyes. She took his rifle, wrapped in homespun, follow the trail where the footprints bled. Ash leaves turned in the cold fall weather. She followed and followed till the trail ran dead. Then the trail ran through her head. Now they say on the banks of the old Ohio, when the barges moan in the autumn rain, a hard-faced woman walks the shoreline, searching, calling his name, calling out in vain. River bones of Kentucky carry the names that the headstones hide. She followed the bend where the water ran muddy and the water ran red when her lovey died. River bones, roll on, but you can't roll back the time.
He came for a week, stayed half the year. Chalk on his sleeves, mischief in his cheer. Swapped all our names on the old roll sheet. Called me your highness and bowed to my feet. Here's to the jester of Rouen 3, laughing like thunder, wild and free. He'd steal your pen and gift you 3. To forget your treats. Here's to the jester, oh, room 3, laughing like thunder, wild and free. He'd steal your pen and gift you 3. Oh, raise your glass to our sub-marquee, our prince, the prince of Reuben 3. Years roll on like a marching band, still on your worries, then dance away. Here's to the jester of Rouen 3, laughing like thunder, wild and free. He taught us joy is a fine degree. Oh, raise your glass, let the stories be for the heart of glass.
Alrighty, so I got our cherry pin, I got our pine pin from the other day, then I've got this monster. She's going to be a chunky one. That's alright, we'll take it. And then I've got these from Another Day, and they've got this one split. And then this one, when it got drilled, the drill bit didn't go in straight because it wasn't straight in the chuck, because it came from a very odd shaped piece of wood. But these will be just fine to go in the house and get used. I'm waiting on my next box of pins to come. The little Bic sticks, cause that's what I do to make my pins at an economical price. I use those little Bic sticks, take the cartridge out. So God bless you all, and have a good one. I'll see you next time.